In our previous videos, we cloned or converted bricks and Webflow website templates into Elementor designs using the Clone2Elementor Chrome extension. These are the videos. In this video, we are going to clone lovable websites into Elementor using the same Clone2Elementor extension. This is a tattoo business website that I designed using Lovable AI. Let me open this in a new tab. Here it is. To clone or convert this lovable website into Elementor, I will simply click the Clone2Elementor extension. Then come here, hover my cursor over the area I want to clone, and simply click to copy. As you can see, the site has been copied. I'll now head over to my Elementor editor, right-click, click Paste from Other Site, and then hit Ctrl-V on my keyboard. And here it is. This is our lovable website right inside the Elementor page builder. It is fully editable and it is responsive as well. This is what it looks like on mobile, on tablet, and then on desktop. I will go ahead and copy a few more sections from our lovable website. I'll click to copy, wait for the copied notification, and here it is. I'll go back to Elementor and paste it as usual. All right, I've added a few more sections into our Elementor website, and this is what we now have inside Elementor. This is the original lovable website, and this is the cloned version inside Elementor. It is fully editable. You can edit your images, your text, your headings, the buttons, pretty much anything in here. And it's as easy as simply copying and pasting. Lately, this is how I design websites for my clients. I simply go into Lovable AI and type in some information about my client's business. Lovable then creates and customizes a high-quality website that suits my client's business. After that, I use the Clone2Elementor extension to copy and paste the site into Elementor, and within a few minutes, I have a fully professional website ready for my client. This way, I'm able to build more websites in a very short time, charge less than other web designers, and still make a lot of money. So instead of building everything from scratch, dragging containers up and down, I simply customize the site inside Lovable, copy it over to Elementor, and make a few final edits to complete the website. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a complete high-quality Lovable website and how to customize it within minutes. The Clone2Elementor extension was developed by Copyblocks, and they also have another extension called Clone2WordPress. The Clone2WordPress extension allows you to clone any website on the internet into editable Gutenberg templates. So this is the Clone2WordPress extension, and it works similarly to the Clone2Elementor extension, except that it uses the Gutenberg editor instead of Elementor. Check the description of this video for the download links to the Clone2Elementor and Clone2WordPress extensions. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share it with people you believe might find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more useful videos like this.